Let me ask you something. If money solved all problems, why do so many people who win the lottery end up broke within 5 years? Seriously, it's a fact. Over 70% of lottery winners lose everything. Think about that for a second. They had millions dropped into their lap and still went back to zero. Why? Because they chased money, not value. They never built the mindset or the skills that create it. Here's the uncomfortable truth. If you spend your whole life chasing money, you'll always feel like you're behind. Because money runs faster than you. You make a bit, and the bills rise. You earn more, and your lifestyle expands. It's an endless loop. But the people who get ahead, the ones who seem to attract wealth effortlessly, they're playing a different game. They don't chase money. They build value. See, money is a mirror. It reflects the value you bring into the world. You can't cheat it. You can't trick it. You can't wish your way to it. If you want to earn more, you have to become more. Develop rare skills. Solve real problems. Create something that makes someone's life easier, better, or faster, and the money will show up as a byproduct. Most people want to skip that part. They want the reward without the foundation. They chase side hustles, quick trades, viral fame, but never mastery. That's why they're always exhausted. Because when you chase money, you're always sprinting. But when you build value, money starts walking toward you. It's slow at first, yeah, but once it sees what you're building, it can't resist. It has to find you. Let me be real with you. The world doesn't pay you for your time. It pays you for the impact you make during that time. You could work 10 hours a day and still be broke if those hours don't create real results. But someone else could work 4 hours, build something meaningful, and make more in a week than most do in a year. That's the difference between working for money and working through value. So, how do you start building value? First, stop asking, how can I make money? And start asking, how can I make someone's life better? That one question changes everything. It shifts you from a consumer to a creator, from someone waiting for opportunity to someone building opportunity. Because when you help enough people get what they want, you'll never have to worry about what you want again. Focus on learning skills that the world actually needs: communication, problem solving, creativity, consistency. These are tools that never lose value. And when you combine them with passion and persistence, you create leverage. That's when money stops being something you chase and starts being something that follows you. Naturally, automatically, consistently. But here's the thing most people won't tell you. Building value takes patience. It's not glamorous. It's not overnight. It's you showing up every single day, improving by 1%, even when nobody's watching. That's the price of real success. It's boring in the beginning, but it's freedom in the end. And you know what's crazy? Once you stop obsessing over money and start obsessing over growth, the stress starts to fade. You become calmer, more focused, because now you're not just chasing, you're creating. You're shaping a version of yourself that doesn't need to beg for opportunities. You become the opportunity. So here's my challenge to you. For the next 30 days, stop chasing quick cash. Stop comparing yourself to people online. Instead, pick one skill, one idea, one thing that genuinely helps others, and go all in. Learn, build, serve. Because if you spend your time creating value, money will have no choice but to find its way to you. Remember this: chasing money will keep you busy. Building value will make you free. So stop running in circles. Slow down, focus up, and build something you will be proud of. Because the day you do, you'll realize that money was never the goal. It was just the reward for becoming someone worth rewarding.